Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Bridge Race game. So let's get started right away. After you have installed the Bridge Race game on your device, you will need to sign in to your Google account on Google Play Games. So open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and search for Google Play Games. And when you find it, tap on the install button and wait for the installation to complete. Then you can tap on the open button to open it up and use your Google account to log in. After you have logged in using your Google account, you can go ahead and open up the Bridge Race game and you will automatically be signed in using your Google Play game account. And now you can simply tap to start a new game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign into your account on the Bridge Race game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.